Welcome students, I am Upal Adhikari, your maths teacher student. In the previous video, I have started the trigonometry, that is the third chapter of class 11. Now, in the previous video, I have discussed some concept of angle and its measurement. There, I have discussed the English system, that is degree and radian, circular system, and conversion of radian to degree and degree to radian, and there we get some factor conversion factor, that is important, that one right angle equal to 90 degree and 1 degree equal to 60 minute and 1 minute equal to 60 second. That is the degree to and another 1 degree equal to pi by 1 by 80 radian. Okay, pi by 180 radian. That is also now coming to the exercise number 3.1. Exercise number 3.1. The first sum that is 25 degree. 25 degree. We have to convert it into radian. Okay, so if 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, then 25 degree equal to pi by 180 into 25 degree, that is degree removed, that is radian. Okay, 536. So 5 pi by 36 radian. Okay, using that 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, that relation convert 25 degree into radian. Next sum, that is 47 degree minus 47 degree 30 minute. First of all, if I want to change the in radian, that we have relation between degree and radian, not minute to radian. So it is better to convert that minute into degree. So we know that 1 degree equal to 60 minute. It means if I want to change that minute into degree, we have to divide it into 60. So 30 minutes equal to 30 by 60 degree, that is 1 by 2 degree. So total minus 47 1 by 2 degree. Okay, that is minus 95 by 2 degree. Now if I change this into radian, our formula is pi by 180 into minus 95 by 2. If that is 36 and 90 minus 90 pi by 72 radian. Okay, that is minus 95 by minus 90 pi by 72 radian. That is the second sum. Now moving to the third sums, that is 240 degree. 240 degree. We have to change into radian. So 240 degree means pi by 180 into 240 radian. Okay, 0.06364. That is 4 pi by 3 radian. 4 pi by 3 radian. Now next sum, that is sum number 4, 520 degree. 520 degree. So 520 degree means pi by 180 into cell formula 520 radian. 0 0, that is 26 9. So that is 26 by 26 pi by 9 radian. 26 by 9 radian. Okay, these are the sums. Sum number 1, that is it is given in degree, we have changed into it radian. Next, in sum number 2, that opposite means it is given in radian, we have to change into degree. The first sum of 2 1, that is 11 by 16 radian. 11 by 16 radian, we will change it. So it is given in radian, we have to change it in radian. Now one formula student, 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. It means I can convert it 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degree. Okay, 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degree. So 11 by 16 radian equal to 11 by 16 into 180 by pi degree. Okay, now putting the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 we get 11 by 16 into 180 by pi. 22 into 7. 22 into 7. 11 2 90. Okay, now if I reduce it by 2, that is 8 and 45, that is 45 into 7, that is 315 by 8. Okay, once and here is that is 5. Okay, so 318 means that if I change it into mixed fraction, that is 3158 3. So it means that can be written as 35 39 degree 9 degree 3 by 8 degree. Okay, 39 volt 3 by 8 degree. Now as it is 39 degree plus 3 degree, it means that is not degree, not power 0. Okay, it means it is less than 1 degree. So 39 degree plus 3 by 8, you can change into degree to minute, that is 60 minute. Okay, that is 39 degree 8 4 2 and 15. So that is 45 by 2 minute. That can be also changed into, that is 42 means 39 degree plus 22 whole 1 by 2 minute. Now 39 degree plus 22 minute plus 1 minute means we have to change, that is less than 1 minute. For changing, that is 39 degree plus 22 minute plus 1 by 2 into 60 second. So 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second. So if I change it completely, 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second, it is the answer. So changing 11 by 16 radian, we get 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second. Okay, In similar way, question number 2, that is -4 radian. -4 radian. -4 radian. It means to change it, you have to multiply it by, change into degree, that is 180 by pi into -4 degree. Okay. Now 180 by 22 into -4 into 7, putting the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Now putting that value, if you multiply, reduce it, 11 minus 2, so minus 360 into 7 by 11, minus 360 into 11, so that is in degree. Okay, that A from its unit is degree. Degree. Okay, now change into mixed fraction, change into mixed fraction, that is minus 25 to, now this we have to change it into degree, minute and second. So that is it, minus 2520 degree by minus 229, that is by minus 229 1 by 11 degree. If I change into degree, that is that one. You can change 1 by 11 degree into minute to convert by multiplying here 60, and then the remainder portion you can also change into minute. Okay, so student, in the next video we'll solve exercise 3.2, but before that, in the previous day I have discussed that 1 radian. Now how much is 1 radian? One thing we get that 1 radian equal to 180 degree by 180, that is degree. Okay, 180 degree by pi radian. If I put 180 in place of 3.14, that is degree, so you will get approximately 57.3 degree. 57.3 degree. So in our class 11 and 10, we take pi, that is in that system in radian, equal to almost 180, that is 180 degree. Okay, pi equal to 180 degree. So student, if you have any doubt regarding this class, you can ask me in e-portal. Till then, stay at home and keep watching all the videos of Bardhan Model School. Thank you.